Hey guys, ready for another music class? Let's go. So last week I had you play a game. Hopefully you all did it. And the game was identifying sounds of the instruments. This week I want to get a little bit more specific and talk about pitch. But first, let's talk about what pitch is. So pitch is the speed at which a vibration is heard. So a pitch is a vibration, and the faster the vibration, the higher the pitch. The slower the vibration, the slower the pitch. Think about a xylophone bar, right? The metal pieces that we hit on the xylophone. The bigger the bar, the lower the sound, right? And the smaller the bar, the higher the sound. And so today we're going to be working with that. And now what I want you to think about is what instrument would make the lowest sound, the instruments from band. So what first comes to my mind is a tuba. Think about how big a tuba is, right? It wraps around lots and lots and lots of coils. There's a big, big bell on the top, and the bell is the widest part of the horn. So think about the pitch that would make. That would make a really, really low pitch, right? Think about a piccolo or a flute or even your recorder. It's much smaller and it's thinner, right? The pipe of the actual recorder is super thin. And how does that pitch sound? Is it really high? Yeah, it is. Think about things in nature too. A bird, super, super small. What's their pitch like? Think about an elephant. Think about maybe even a lion roar. That one's much deeper than that little chirp that a bird makes, right? So we can make all of these different assumptions on pitch based on what even we see, or we have things in nature or all around us that are making different pitches. I found this melody and I want you to think or listen for how many pitches are in this melody. Okay, here's the melody. So how many pitches were there? Think about it. Take a second to listen. I'll play it again. Oops, not that one. How many pitches were there? Now remember, pitches is not the same as rhythm. When we say 1 and 2 and 3, 4, rhythm is what it looks like on the page. This is what it sounds like. How many notes did you hear? If you said 3 notes, you are right. We have a middle, a high, and a low. So my challenge for you today is to find different ways to play this song. We need a middle, a high, and a low. Here's an example. Okay, so here are my household items that I found. I found these pretty cool metal bowls, and what I want to do is let's take a look at the comparison in the bowls. I have one small bowl, and I have a little bit of a bigger bowl here. What is the sound difference going to be between these two bowls? Well, based on what we talked about before, the smaller something is, probably the what of the pitch? The higher the pitch. The bigger the bowl, the bigger the object, the pitch. The lower the pitch. Good job. Take a listen. So this is my medium. My middle of the ground pitch. Here's my high. And here's my low. Good. Now here I move on to my boxes. So I have my middle of the road box. I have my nice big box, like my big bass drum. And my little box to make a higher pitch. And then just like my xylo that you know and love, we have our small bars, which will make a nice high pitch, and our low bars, which will make the nice low pitch. Okay, so here comes my version of our melody that we played before, and take a listen. See if you can hear all of the different pitches in all of the items. Here we go. your goal is to find 3 items in your house, 3 different pitched items, and try to recreate the song. If the rhythm is hard for you, think in your head. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That should help you. If not, get to work. Have some fun. See you soon. Bye.